Okay guys, so today we have new item on wishing. Actually this item is for sorcerer or warlock, but why I'm interesting to this new wishing because it give a lot stat of fixity. This fixity is very useful for grinding, especially for me as a dorm. Yeah, you can have this 5% and then from the backward and the face wear. But I only aim for this face wear because I have the best fixity item. This one. Auto enthusiast is give you fixity minus 10%. So let's pull this one. Nah, very good start. I got what I want in the first pull. Okay, I think I don't need the rest item. I will think about the rest for later lah, because I just need this one. Okay, let's see about the other stats. From Headwear we got PDF plus 16, MDF plus 10, In plus 10, Magic Attack plus 5%, Magic Damage plus 7%, which is good for Sorcerer. And we got Ignore MDF plus 7%. This is very good stat for Sorcerer and Warlock. This is also give you element spirit possession when you in element spirit possession, which is sorcerer skill. Spellfish deals damage to enemy and attack plus 3% for 6 seconds up to 3 stack, which is it is plus 9% and attack. Attack is very good for Warlock. And then in Refine plus 12, for every 1 point of your highest primary stat, you gain attack plus 1. Nowadays, the primary stat is in a huge number, so you can get a huge attack too. In Refine plus 15, upon causing M damage, gain ESPD plus 3%, Fire Water skill damage plus 4%, for 2 seconds stacking up to 3 times, which is it will give you 9% ESPD. This is good for you to pull because it also give you P damage and M damage reduction plus 10%, which is it is a high number of P damage and damage reduction. It's so hard to find this number. And then plus 20 as a bonus stat you can receive plus 5% max HP. In the costume, it also gives you P attack and attack plus 6%, and once again M damage plus 7%, ESPD plus 5%, Fixity min 5%, and all stat plus 5%. And it also boosts the M attack you got from the headwear. Your attack have 5% to autocast level 2 lightning bolt, and the cooldown is very short, only 1 second, and you can get element damage plus 10%. When you're defeating an enemy, P attack plus 2%, M attack plus 2% for 90 seconds. This is very very long for gaining these two stats, and it stack up to 3 times. So you can get P attack plus 6%, M attack plus 6%. This is the good news for player who use cosmic sigils. In the plus 15 you can get plus 5%, refine plus 18. When you casting spell Fist during element spirit possession, grant an additional damage versus all size enemy plus 8%. This is a huge number of all size enemies. For plus 20, when HP falls below 30%, restore 5% of your max HP per second for 5 seconds. You can see the stat from the Polar Headwear. This, you can see this. When HP fall below 50% and take damage, gain HP 25% and restore 5% HP per second in 10 seconds. So you can get the similar stats in the other part. And then we go to the backwear, Maiden Portrait. It gives you PDF plus 16, MDF plus 10, INT plus 7, and then MD Match plus 6%, Ignore MDF plus 6%, Movement Speed plus 5%, SP Recovery. Oh, this is so good to fight against DP user. And Skill Damage plus 6%. During element spirit possession, increase your corresponding elemental damage by 5%. Once again, this is elemental damage. If you use the whole sets, you can get around how much the element damage. From this you can get 12%. For 12%, and then from the costume you can get 10%, and then from the backwear you can get 5%, so it's 27% from 3 pieces. And then at refine plus 15, upon using skill, gain MD Mage plus 5% and fix city minus 5%. I think I'm going to pull this one also because it also gives me fix city. And then at the refine 18, when HP is below 50%, gain you crit rest plus 8 and crit damage rest plus 8%. As my friend testing, crit damage reduction is more good than P damage reduction to fight against job like GX and then Shura, because you cannot handle the P damage, so you need to counter the damage by another stat. I can show you the test later, yeah. I will make the content about this one. And then at the refine plus 20, you can get skill damage plus 5%, which is, this is so good because all the Weller now go to skill damage, not race damage or them human damage because they got a lot of them. So Weller will go to skill damage, and this is the most I like. You can see the stats. For every 500 max SP, you gain M damage plus 1% up to 8%. This is the stat from Master of Magic. If you know, I'll show you. So it will doubling the damage you can get by gaining your max SP. Master of Magic. I think it's from the shoes. Nah, there is no explanation, but the damage will boost by you adding max SP. So it very suitable if you use Master of Magic with the new Wishing Backwear. I mean the face wear. Then attack plus 1 for every 50 max SP up to 2000. So it need around 40 for every max of 2000. As long as your SP is 10,000, I think it's 10,000, you can gain an attack up to 2,000. And then at Refine plus 15, your attack have 5% chance to auto cast level 5 Heaven Drive. Refine plus 18, max SP plus 8%, SP consumption minus 10%. Refine plus 20, you can get movement speed plus 5%. I think this is the best costume from Wishing ever, especially for the magic job. But I'm quite happy by pulling this face wear in one pull. Okay guys, that's all I can share you for this new Wishing costume. Thanks for watching. Adios.